Welcome to Foxy Adventures. Today, Mr. Elf been naughty.
Why? What's he done?
He tried to get the Play-Doh out of this.
Oh. So what have you got to do?
We have to make it bottle.
Oh, you're going to have to make his body? You're going to build an elf? Right, okay then.
Just cut it first.
Cut it.
Take all this. Take all this there. Take all this. Squishy finger.
So we've got a design.
Make sure you've got enough for his arm.
I'm making presents.
I'm going to copy this. You're making presents? You're not going to make his body? What's Mummy doing?
You're making
a belt?
body.
Yeah.
You're making the body.
Right, Mummy make the body.
Mummy, you make the body. Mummy, you make the body move. Mummy, you making the body.
Right, come on then.
Where's the piece?
Mummy make the body. Make it nice and soft and then you'll be able to design it. I think we used it. It's on the top.
Oh,
We used it yesterday doing the cookies challenge.
You guys
Didn't we?
do it.
I need it.
Do you need it?
Yeah. For to flat this
Right, I'll make
You're
his
making
body.
it flat.
for his shoes.
Oh, what was that?
Oh, that was the tool. I'll get it.
Uh-oh. Don't anything about
There we go.
Sorry, frog.
that.
Don't forget we need some of that for his feet, his belt buckle, his top and his hat.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Right, what you done?
So when we
you've
came
done that.
downstairs this morning, Mr. Elf had started without us, hadn't he? So now we're carrying on to make him a friend, aren't we?
Oh. What are you designing? What are you designing, Scarlett?
I'm making presents.
You're making presents?
Yeah.
You're supposed to use that for his feet.
I don't know how to do these.
Well, why don't you do it flat and then cut out some triangles like this and for his hat, and then I'll help you do his
No,
feet.
I don't want. I need you. I'm going to do the red.
But you do the hat and the legs then, yeah? I'll do his feet. Yeah? Smells like apple.
Apple.
What does yours smell like?
Apple.
Is it?
Do you have a smell?
Apple.
Ooh, it does, doesn't it? Sour apple.
Yeah. Ew. Smells like that sweetie we had the other day in our spinner challenge, doesn't it?
Ooh, yeah.
Do you remember?
It don't like very sour. This two look like very sour.
Thank you.
Like the green one, what you like.
Yeah.
Like you didn't like. I like
You
them.
did like them, didn't you?
Yeah, you didn't.
A bit sour for me. Scarlett likes sour though, I think. Right, it's a bit
But
bobbly.
do you guys like sour stuff?
Ooh.
So then we need to
Let us
save
know
it.
if you do.
Yes, I do. Yes, they do.
Yes,
Is
they
that
do.
what you said, or is that what you
okay.
said?
That's what I said.
There's his bobble for his hat. Now I'm going to do the arms.
Right, you take two little pieces off there and do his roll them up, Scarlett,
Cheeks.
and do his hands.
That was meant to be a ball for his hat.
Roll them up, and you can do his hands. See, like that. Ready?
Ah,
Try help.
There's
Roll it up
one
like a little ball.
arm.
One hand.
Do you think we might see an elf today, Scarlett, sometime?
Ooh.
What do you think? Do you think you might see an elf today?
Or Santa.
Oh, what if you saw a Santa? That'd be good, wouldn't it?
ah.
What would you do if you saw Santa today? Would you go ho ho ho?
Or would you ask him for that car you want?
I don't want it. I wanted lots of presents.
You want lots of presents?
Oh, well, I hope you've been a good girl.
Oh, have you been good?
I want a lot.
We know Nana and Grandad have got you lots of presents. Grandma and Grandad have got you lots of presents. Mummy and Daddy have got you lots of presents.
We asking
But have you been a good girl? That's the question.
to deserve the presents.
Have you? No?
What are you guys
No.
getting? Let us know.
Yeah?
What do you think your vloggers are going to get for Christmas?
I think
What do you
choo-choo train.
think
Choo-choo
some of them have
train.
asked for a choo-choo train?
Ah.
Do you like choo-choo trains?
Yeah.
I know your Ewan wants a choo-choo train. Wants
Okay.
it? Can I use your thingy, please?
Yeah.
I thought you were doing the hat. You're not doing the hat anymore? Have you give up with the hat?
I don't
I
have
think this is turning from Scarlett doing the design your own elf to Mummy doing it.
Usually does.
I do it.
So we'll go from Scarlett to Mummy. For some reason Mummy's still wearing a coat
How are we going
inside.
to keep...
You very cold?
Yes.
Sorry for the boat it.
What have you broke?
He's
Excuse me! Excuse me! That is my work that
Armless.
you're breaking.
You broke another one. Is that his hair?
No,
It's
this
his
is
belt.
his belt. It's a bit bobbly. But it's his belt.
I want to put his...
And then his arm needs to go on. And his other arm needs to go on.
Looks
Do you want
like,
to do
looks like a turtle.
turtle?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
They won't know who they are.
Ah!
Buggers.
I've got
Who, the
it.
turtles?
They won't know who the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are.
Yeah, they will.
Oh.
I tell you who does like turtles. Cameron. Cameron likes Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
Remember when Mummy did Cameron a cake with turtles?
And Mia had a My Little Pony one, didn't
Oh,
she?
yeah, it was a joint one, wasn't it? Yeah.
Where's his other arm gone now? You keep rubbing his arm off me.
I got it.
Yeah, shaking monkey.
I don't need this.
I was just going to say we forgot his legs, but his legs are with
The red.
the red. Silly mummy.
I'm making
might get this done today.
eyeballs. I'm making black eyeballs.
Oh, yeah, you do the
There's
easy
the
bit.
black eyeballs then. Are you going to stop demolishing the arms?
Okay.
Can't stick them on, can you? I can see more rest.
Guys, I have to roll it. Look, guys, I did it.
Yeah. One eye.
What shape are the eyes? We've not done the face yet. Scarlett, you can't put the eyes on the body. You banana.
Like a minion.
Ah,
That's it, a green minion.
there's one leg.
2 legs. 2 legs. It's a minion.
It's falling over. I don't think this is going to look like the box anyway.
I don't
Give me
either.
up now.
I can put an eyebrow on these.
To be fair, there is a black bit on the belt.
Oh, that's a hole. I've done the hole.
Oh, there's a hole. Fair enough.
See?
It looks black though, to be fair.
Holy, holy, holy. Holy moly.
Right.
That's
Head.
green.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders,
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
Crazy child.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, cheese on toast.
Mmm, cheese on toast.
Yeah.
No.
What about cheese toasty?
Ooh.
Like a bit of a cheese toasty.
I broke it.
There we go.
Oh,
There's one eyeball.
Wrote it again. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Gonna sing us some Christmas songs, Scarlett. These we're doing a Christmas elf.
You know Jingle Bells?
Of course you know Jingle
Jingle
Bells.
bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All of our way around the world is over. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All of our way around the world is over. Hey, Jacob, can you sing that?
Me?
No, the frog.
Ah, we'll see if we can sing it, eh?
Jingle
Do you know any more
bell.
Christmas songs? What about the mince pie song?
Yeah. Join in.
Join in, guys, if you know it.
You sing it.
Open door. This is Daddy's song because he loves his mince pies. Except Mummy doesn't make me any. But she did make me a Christmas cake though.
Yeah,
And that's pretty much gone near enough. It's not even Christmas.
It's Olaf cake.
Oh yeah, Scarlett did an Olaf face on it, didn't you?
We'll tag a picture on so we can see it.
Yeah. Because it's hardly anything left yet. Silly face!
Do a funny face.
Want me to do a silly face? Ooh. You're gonna dance to it. Ho ho ho! No no no! He's gone. It's in my mince pie. Come on, then. We're gonna do your elf.
Mummy, where's his ears?
Nearly there. Don't touch it.
And a ho 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 and a no no no. Stop sticking stuff on the camera. Get off! Get off! No! Oh, that's right. Just stick it on my hand instead. Oh, like I got superpowers. Stick it on my hand, I can go laser beams. No, not again. Get off.
Finished!
Finished.
Woo, doesn't
Right,
look
so
like the box.
That's
but
what it's supposed. That's what it looks like. And this is what it's supposed to look like.
Device lost its connection.
Really?
Now setup mode.
Let us know what you think.
Follow the instructions. in
Okay.
the next setup.
Goodbye!
Bye, Alf.
Bye, thanks for
Bye,
watching.
Mummy.